LED lighting is the most energy efficient and rapidly developing lighting technology available today. ENERGY STAR certified LEDs use at least 90% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs for lower operating costs, and they produce very little heat for lower cooling costs. LEDs also reduce maintenance costs since they last 35 to 50 times longer than incandescent lighting and about 2 to 5 times longer than fluorescent lighting. And they're durable, so they won't break like a traditional bulb. Plus, LED bulbs are available in a wide range of colors, light levels, and features. Every Trinity Bluff home comes with a full LED lighting package, so homeowners will enjoy increased lighting quality as well as the reduced operating, maintenance, and cooling costs. To learn more about this state-of-the-art community and to see the available floor plans, visit DSLDhomes.com.